Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville 920 Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it didn't heat up perfectly at 200 and it was just uneven. And the issue was because the boiler gaskets were worn out and it was not letting the pressure to be stable on the boiler, especially on the steamer boiler. So we ended up replacing the gaskets and giving the machine a tune-up because we found a lot of scale buildup around the boiler and it just looked pretty bad in there. So we descaled the machine and now it's working perfectly fine. So let's test it out, starting with one espresso. Water and steam. And there you have it, Breville 920 working perfectly fine. Thank you for buying Kanen Coffee and please subscribe to our channel for more content videos every day.